Nagsisisi, si Catherine Luna na nakilala si Coco Martin. There's one thing Catherine Luna regrets, it is meeting Coco Martin. Catherine, known for her independent films, bore a child with Coco 6 years ago. However, Catherine revealed that a month after giving birth to their daughter Colleen Beatrice, the kapamilya actor allegedly walked out of their lives. Gusto ko pagsisihan pero wala na akong galit. Sana hindi na kami nagkakilala. Kaso lang kung hindi kami nagkakilala wala akong magandang anak ngayon, Catherine told entertainment reporters after the press conference of TV5's Bangis, held at Annabelle's restaurant in Tomas Morato, Quezon City on Tuesday. Time heals all wounds, they say, and Catherine said she has learned to forgive Coco for his shortcomings as a father to their child after all these years. Napatawad ko na siya. Masaya na ako, she kept on saying. But when it comes to allowing her child to meet Coco, Catherine has one request. Wala namang problema basta walang kamerang nakaharap. Yun lang naman yun eh. Kasi unang-una 6 years old na yung anak ko. May isip na yun eh. Pag nasaktan yun una akong masasaktan, she said. If ever Coco requests to have his name included in their child's birth certificate, Catherine has a few other requirements. Napatawad ko na siya, pero hanggat hindi ko pa nakikita from his